Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the Toys Authority. Today we're going to be playing with some Play-Doh. The toy we have is called the Bunny and Chick Stampers Play-Doh. Let's take a look. Alright, open this up and see what we have inside. We have a bunny and a chick. Alright, let's open these up and see the play. Oh, there's the Play-Doh. Here's the yellow Play-Doh that came inside of the little chick. Okay, let's just set that back here for now. And let's open up our bunny rabbit. This one has purple Play-Doh. Okay, now that we have our little chick and our bunny rabbit and our Play-Doh, we can start making stamps. Let's get some Play-Doh, our little chick, all right, and here is our first chick stamp. Can take some more Play-Doh. And make another chick stamp. Let's make a big one with 2 stamps. And we have 2 chicks. Okay. Now, let's use our bunny rabbit. Oh, and look at that. That one made a carrot. Let's put our carrot with our chicks. And here's another carrot. Another carrot. All right. So here is our bunny rabbit, our chick, our carrots, and our other little chicks. All right. Thanks, guys, for tuning into the Toys Authority. I hope you had a great time watching this Play-Doh video on how to make bunny and chick stampers. Make sure that you guys subscribe and share our videos.